Halted, unveiled. Understanding the phrase. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the meaning and usage of the phrase, halted. If you've come across this word and wondered how to use it, or simply want to enrich your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Halted is the past tense of the verb halt. It means to stop or to cause something to stop. This can refer to physical movement or processes. For example, the parade halted when the rain began. Production was halted due to equipment failure. While halted often refers to stopping a physical movement, it can also be used in various contexts. 1. Transportation. The train halted at the station. 2. Economic activities. Sales were halted due to the market downturn. 3. Events and programs. The concert was halted because of a power outage. Understanding synonyms can give you more flexibility in your language use. Some synonyms for halted are stopped, paused, ceased, frozen, interrupted. Remember, the context will dictate which synonym is most appropriate to use. Here are some commonly used phrases with halted. Halted in one's tracks. This means to stop suddenly, often because of surprise or shock. E.g., she was halted in her tracks when she saw the unexpected guest. Halted for a moment. This means to stop briefly. E.g., he halted for a moment to tie his shoelaces. And there you have it. Now you not only know the meaning of halted, but also how to use it in different contexts and some handy phrases where it appears. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you confidently use the word halted in your conversations. Happy learning!